Here's a quick video to show the proper operation of a Tokyo high power HL-350Vdx VHF amplifier. We have two bird watt meters. This one here is on the input from the Kenwood mobile radio we're using as a driver. This is the meter on the output of the amplifier going into a bird 500 watt dummy load. We're going to show right now the radio is on low power. Radio is putting out just under 4 watts, just about 5 watts rather, just about 5 watts. Reflected is almost nil, not even moving. We're on the 500 watt scale, as you can see on the bird meter. So right about here is the 300 watt indication. Doing just about 300 watts. That's what 5 watts drive. Very low SWR input. Now we're going to take the amplifier, switch it to high drive. Okay, with the same 5 watts, very low SWR. Showing about, I don't know, somewhere about 50, 60 watts. We're going to take this meter now. We're going to take the radio, go to high power on the radio. High power on the radio. Radio now is showing forward. Just about 50 watts. Hair over 50 watts. We're going to go back to reflected. We're going to go to a real low scale for reflected. Just about 0.8 of a watt. Maybe 800 milliwatts reflected. Now that's what 50 watts drive 800 milliwatts reflected. Same thing, 300 watts out of the amplifier. So once again, showing the proper operation after the replacement of the driver transistor and also the alignment of the input and output impedance adjustments. They've all been properly balanced now for both low and high power drive. So there's the demonstration of the proper operation of the Tokyo high power HL-350Vdx.